Computer science videos here today to show you guys in tutorial 4 how to add a beautiful description to your Instagram account using your computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So the first thing you need to do is go all the way down to your dock, click on the browser, in this case which is Safari. The first thing I would do is go to edit profile. Now we know what we are working with and what we require. I see website. I'm thinking YouTube website, so I go to my channel dashboard, click on view channel, take the URL. At the moment, I don't have a custom URL, so I'll just copy this and then shorten the URL, pasting it in here, copy this, go back to Instagram and right click paste. So that's the website done. In the bio, I'll then put in specific things that describe maybe what I am, what I'm about, what I do. I'll type in a computer scientist, maybe a space. I could put in some emojis. Let's do that. Emoji. Maybe filter it down to a TV for the YouTube channel. Copy this, go back to Instagram, put that in there, change this to YouTube, the colon, computer science videos. Next, I would maybe insert my Twitter, go back to the emojis, go back again, but copy this, go back to Instagram, paste that in, Twitter colon again, at computer science videos, maybe some hashtags to let the people know who I am, what I'm about. And now we can submit and save. Go back to the profile. And there we have it. Our very own Instagram description and bio to let the world know what the Instagram is all about. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.